Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone doing today? Do you like the new intro starting soon thing? We've just had that knocked up for us today along with a few other little video things. So I thought I'd premiere that tonight. I hope everyone's doing good. Right. Let me just move this around because it takes up one of my screens and now I've got to get the chat up on my screen instead. So, what are we going to get today? It actually looks pretty bullish. I was saying if we got past the point of control of this range, then I would be looking for more upside. And yeah, I think everything's looking pretty good. We haven't taken these highs yet at the moment, so we will wait and see what happens with that. Okay. But yeah, we had... This is kind of what we were looking at. Why does it always... Where's my fixed range gone? Man. I just accidentally click unfavorite instead of... There we go. Okay, so we had the weekly open. We had the point of control. We are through that. So everything at the moment looks set to... Actually, it's probably going to happen right now, aren't we? Have we taken this high on any other exchange yet? There we go. So yes, we have just taken the highs out. And let's see where we are with that right now. Apparently I've got a scalp short in that zone because I just had my alert go off. So I'd better manage this because we'll see. Okay. FTX, did that take these highs? Oh, everything did take the highs apart from Bybit earlier, so now it's just Bybit catching up, but ooh, I don't know if I want to be in this trade. This was one that I set there earlier on, expecting this move to happen. I'm not sure if I want to be there in this trade anymore. So let me just quickly open up this and make sure. You know what? It's only a tiny little position. Okay. Yeah, you know what? Quickly get some profit there because I don't think this is coming back down just yet. It might do. Okay, anyway, where were we? Okay. Johnny M. Cool on my third old fashioned. Probably should disable my trading accounts. Yes, maybe. Old fashions are good. But yeah, hello everyone. Let's get the likes up again as usual in here. If everyone can like the video, that will be great. Price looks like it's going higher. Delirium, Luis, Anthony Umar, Cedric Senti, Crypto Prince, Runner, everyone else. Sorry, I can't get through everyone. Johnny, Maltus. All right. Things are looking pretty bullish today. That's interesting though. Shubcam Qatar, I still hold Sol and its network is still down. Will it dump? What do you think? No. This is probably it's not gonna dump. It's Sol, like I mean it's kind of finished its bull run anyway, I think. But yeah, if it's dumping right now, then I am looking to buy. I am certainly not looking to sell. Basically on Sol, I have targets on this. And if it can come into these areas that I am looking at, okay, that's quite a long way away. Basically, I want to buy Sol down here, but it's taken out these lows. Forget about the network being down. It's not important at all. They'll fix that. Of course they will. I don't even know what's going on with it, but yeah. Johnny, can I show the fib time you all talked about this morning? I missed it and suck at finding good ones that actually have action. I'm not gonna cover that fib time stuff today. Basically 22nd of September. Watch out. That's a big day at fib time from all sorts of stuff. We'll go over this. It's posted on the Discord somewhere. Where is it? It's in Coach's Corner. It was Joe Pippin that posted it earlier on. And yeah, I'm sure the trading room is on Box as well. So if you do want to watch that back, then you can do that. I think I put it in to Box already. Okay, so we have taken the highs and come down below. So actually, not bad. But at the moment, it's still in this like really just bullish channel looking thing. I'll explain the heat map in just a moment. Braveheart, 22nd September, my wedding anniversary. Congratulations, Bitcoin's going to do something on that day as well. So I don't know what. Anything else of interest up here? Because oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Jurian, Bolland, are we at the top of the range now? Yeah, we are. So you wouldn't want to be kind of aping into long positions right now, but there's not really there's nothing to say that this is going to fall down again either. I think this is what we had today. So everything at the moment the signs are still pointing up. I wouldn't want to be in a short position right now unless I see some confirmation, because realistically for me, like as soon as we broke through this point of control, I was always looking for range highs. We've got range value area high coming up around this monthly open as well. I have just, well, saying that I wouldn't want to be in a short, as you heard, my alerts just went off at the beginning, which says that I have taken a scalp short because I had limit orders set up there. But yeah, we will see what happens because we had this earlier on and we had a pullback and support off of the daily. Then, a breakout trade the range. Ugh. Weekly pivot 47.2. Okay. Let me have a look. Don't use pivots so often. Let's bring it up. Pivot. I don't. Is it that one? Why is there no like normal pivot on TradingView anymore? Pivot. Huh? I don't get this. Why did? Oh, right. Is it? No, I am looking right at them. I just didn't know what this green thing was. Yes, I know. I've got so much shit on my chart. T-Wrap. I am blind. Why do they have to put these green signs on here? What are we looking at? We are looking at weekly. Okay. Yeah. Johnny, can I walk my dog quick so you get the volume? Yeah. Yeah, Bitcoin likes to dump when I'm walking my dog. Although actually recently it's been pumping more. This is also your R1 pivot for the day. Whatever you make of that. The other thing that we did have today. This initial balance thing has been working great. Really good. But we'll lose that as well. Cool. Just go offline. Yeah, every time I go offline, it moves. That's not the one I wanted to look at. This one. So we can see here that we've got possible divergence on this. Lack of participants on here. So we can see higher highs have been made. Lower highs on your CVD. showing a lack of participants in this move up, maybe some exhaustion on the move. Possibly this was just Bybit. Because it didn't take the highs, Bybit was like, hey, come on guys, we haven't taken the highs yet. Then now we're getting this move. We've had bullish divergence today. We've had other stuff as well. Not sure what's going on in the chat. Yeah, I want to today. I'm going to be making a video, a little bit different. I'm gonna hopefully have that done tomorrow. Just basically a load of low cap, really nice low cap gems that I'm looking at. So, does anyone want to have a look at that stuff? And I can tell you what stuff I'm buying at the moment, because I found out yesterday, and I completely forgot about this, that I have a lot of this ZCX token. And I want to put my money into something because I got into this at ICO before launch when it was like worth a few cents. And we're now sat here at like $7. So I've been doing some research today of where I can put this newly found money. So I've been yeah, I'll go over some of that stuff. So I've found a few things that I really like. So cool. All right, we're gonna do this. We're gonna look at some low cap stuff, and I'm gonna analyze the chart on this as well. So let me just move this, because this is now into my happy thing. I need to do a bit more on this, okay? So all I've done is sold a small amount of what I've had here, but I've got some money that I can put into stuff here. ZCX is awesome. It's going to be such a huge project, this. So I'll first of all, I just want to shill this. Although it's really high, I wouldn't buy it here. I just want to show this because it is a really good project, and this is why I got into it. So I'll explain a little bit about the project itself on here. Let's do it a little bit differently today. So Unizen, okay. I've shown this on the stream before. It's a new exchange. It's not launched yet, but it looks really nice. It's like aggregated trading. It has, I won't go into all the technical stuff, but you can basically trade from Uniswap, other things as well, but like using it as an actual exchange. It has Binance liquidity built into it. It's got all the Uniswap liquidity built into it. It's basically, yeah, just the place to just trade everything. So you can connect it to your, I think you'll be able to connect it to your MetaMask. You'll be able to do like cross-chain stuff, but without the massive ETH fees and everything that you have on there. I think this is going to be a massive game changer. So I'm really very bullish on this project, and I really had no idea it was going up this high already. I also want to say, like, QNT is the other one that's just been absolutely phenomenal. That's the other thing that I've been massively bullish on for such a long time now, accumulating it all around this zone down here. Again, ZCX, I was in on that when it was down here because it hadn't even got an exchange listing. HTR as well, another one. So I want to find more stuff that's like this, okay? And I've found a few that I am interested in. So first of all, I like, what's it called? I'm going to pick ones that aren't up, okay? So this one's nice, Cirrus. So this is all KuCoin stuff. This is one that I've started accumulating within this area. Again, brand new coin. So again, I'm going to do a video on this once I have researched everything a little bit more. But this is the token. This is... Does anyone know HNT, Helium, which is basically selling, or like... I can't remember what HNT is, but what Cirrus is basically you can either use it as a router, an internet router, or you can just use the network with your own router, and you basically choose within your router what information you want to make publicly available to companies, and then all of the advertising revenue that is collected through this company you get paid in this token for, which is kind of cool. It's brand new. It's got barely any history on it at all. Its market cap is somewhere down at nothing. I'm going to show you this as well. Sorry, I'm going off on a tangent. So that's yeah, the first one. Adams Osmer. Yeah, so HNT is a Wi-Fi miner. This is very similar, but it's using your data. And I think it's got a really promising... Yeah, it's pretty promising. It looks pretty good. So I bought a bit of this one. There seems to be a decent amount of hype behind it, and it's paired up with some of the same... It's Polygon network, which has done really well. A lot of the Polygon stuff has done great. I think this is going to be on the ZCX exchange once that's there. And also I want to compare, because this is like the only competitor I think that Helium Network have realistically, then market cap of .com. This is a really cool site as well. So you can have a look on here and you can compare Cirrus with Helium or HNT. You can check its circulating supply. Let's check its total supply. So if its total supply is out there, 250 million, that is what it's saying, isn't it? Then even with its total supply, you're looking at a 7x in price to reach the market cap of HNT. That's not actually very good. But let's have a look at where the... You can make that like 21x because this has got 3 times more to go on its circulating supply. So the circulating supply will be very low when it starts off. So yeah, that's one that I like. The other one, another one that I like is... this one, which I need to do more research on again. So this has already gone up really high. Well, this is Moon River. Which I believe is like it's on the Kusama network, which is pretty cool. Again, do your research. I'm not going to say too much about this, but I put some money into that one. And finally, ANC is already up today. Anchor Protocol. I like this one. I'm going to do more of this in a video. But these are the ones. Cirrus. Nifty. Yeah. Anchor and Moon River. And then I added a bit more to XHV UST, which looks very nice. Accumulation down here. H what XHV. X. Can never remember the tickers for anything. I really like this one as well. It's a private, private stable coin or something. Yeah. Or it's pegged to a private stable coin. So it looks really nice. All this tether FUD and all of that stuff. But this has been around for a while. So I've just started accumulating this because it's down quite a lot recently. So yeah, I've been buying this while it's down here doing nothing. I need to Signa BTC. I've not heard of that one. Ooh. See, the problem is I don't like anything that... If it's KuCoin, it's okay. This has been around for too long. I'm not interested in anything that's old. H-bar's cool. I did have some H-bar. And I did... Yeah. I did have H-bar last year sometime. I don't know if I've still got any. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. If I do, I should probably sell some. Because that chart's looking pretty crazy. Oh, there's another one that's really good. Let me just find it. This one hasn't launched yet. Actually, this is good. This is good. This is a gem. Okay. So NFT stuff. Anna, not safe key, no. Okay, this one I'm genuinely really excited about, and I am going to be getting in on basically the initial coin offering on this, and anyone else who's watching, you can do the same. It's really, really easy and simple to do. So this is how I got into the ZCX. So let me open up this stuff and let's just do this. No, let's not look at Liverpool. Launch pool. So this is the platform that I used to get in on the Unizen project. Okay, so I I staked my L pool tokens to get Unizen, and that did really, really well. It has a couple of other projects on here that have done really well. I think I haven't actually... I've got some of this mixed sum as well. I'm not quite sure what that is. And I don't think I've entered into anything else because I think then they went to Binance Smart Chain and I didn't bother with anything. But there's this project coming up soon called Listen Token, which looks really good. So I am going to join in on this token sale. Or not token sale, you basically just stake. You buy this token, which is called L-Pool, which at the moment is super, super cheap, okay? Like, look at that chart. It's so cheap. This had massive hype when Unizen was around, and then it launched onto exchanges and everyone dumped it after Unizen because they just didn't want it anymore. But you can pick up this token on KuCoin, I think, and then you can transfer it into a wallet. Then you can stake it on here, and it will stake you this token, so basically just free money. But this looks really cool. So it's NFTs. It's an NFT project, but they are... Yeah, have a look at the website. I'm not good at doing this kind of stuff. I talk technical analysis, but I just thought I would. Yeah, they've got a bunch of NFTs coming out that's based off of like musical people and legendary people. It will help. A lot of the money will go to charity. It looks really good. I don't know how to explain all of this stuff. But yeah, this one looks fun. I'm definitely gonna go in on this one. And cool, my short's doing okay. But yeah, I'd say buy some of this stuff, go onto their website, stake it on some projects, get free money. It's really, really simple. This, like, by doing this on Uni's end, it's given me like thousands of dollars to just put into shit. So if Uni's end has done this well, then I'm sure the others will. Let's make billions by pretending to help kids and actually just keep it all and buy a super yacht. Yeah, probably. But the guy that's created this is the guy who was basically Nelson Mandela's marketing guy. So yeah, he helped reposition Nelson Mandela from black terrorist leader to black leader to consulting for the US White House on a public campaign in a response to 9/11. He's worked with Nelson Mandela. He's yeah. So it seems a pretty serious project. But again, fundamentals I quite like it. There's another one as well, which is like blockchain farming, like real farming, which looks really cool. So I'm going to put some money into that one as well, and we'll see how that goes. Let me find this one. This one as well. I'm going to buy some of this just because it's absolutely ridiculous. So it's a token that's actually for farming. So for farmers, everyone's going on about yield farming and all of this stuff, but this is actually for farming, and it's already a product. And its website looks awful, but it actually works, and it's like being used by like hundreds of thousands of farmers already, just to track their produce, to order stuff. Yeah. So yeah, so this one looks really interesting as well. I have no idea when their token's going to become available, but it says you can buy tokens. But I think this is only... Oh, look, here we go, yeah. Maybe I'll buy some tokens. So that's what I'm going to put all my ZCX profits into. Or some of them, because I'm still holding this for the long run. And anyway, back to normal charts. Again, I'll make a proper video on this soon. I think we are unwittingly helping to usher in the New World Order. Yeah. Whoopi Goldberg. That's not. She's not actually a. No, she's just one of the NFTs. I was gonna say. Yeah. The coin that has my name is pumping. That's nice. But this one as a chart looks really good. XHV as a chart looks really good. UBXT, this is another one that looks really good. And we'll see what happens with them. DAG as well, but I'm not buying DAG anymore. But that's done amazing. Crazy. Litecoin just can't. Look at what Ethereum and like Ethereum and Bitcoin have gone all the way up to take out the highs from yesterday, and Litecoin's just there like, oh, I can't do it. I can't do it. And it's just completely flat. Solana dumped to 144. Almost there. It needs to dump a little bit more, and then I will buy it. Ooh, or do I just... Oh. How far down is it? Look at this. 33% down. Could do better. Could go further down with that. Jacob, when do you take profits on such small caps? Basically just when I feel like I've made enough money on them. With small caps, I'll hold them to 0 or infinity a lot of the time, and I'll just sell little bits. If I see something else that I like the look of and I want to get in on that, I'll just sell little bits of it. I reckon we'll have a really good entry on Sol soon. Oh, shit. You know what? You know what? Long Sol. Just because this is FUD driven and I am going to just trade against this. That's a swing failure pattern. That's good enough for me. Long Sol. Gotta do this on my phone. I haven't done a Sol trade for a while because it just hasn't pulled back, but this is the first proper buy the dip. Let's just mark it in. Like 100 or something. Oh, no, Sol's expensive now. Not 100 of them. That's too much. Let's do like 20 of them. How many do I do? Let's just buy some Sol. Yeah. This could go horribly wrong. But I'm going to go for it. I've just market bought some Sol. And that's like literally like, oh look, there's an anchored VWAP. It's taken some lows. There's an anchored VWAP from this entire move. It's got to bounce it. Surely it's got to bounce it. It's taken out these lows. That's way too far down. Yeah, this looks good. It's down 15% on the day. The worst case scenario, this is where I wanted to buy it, and I'll just buy more. Because if I can start scaling in here, based on this being down, and if I can buy another lot here, it'll give me an average entry, and it's bound to get a bounce. This is Sol. It's going to bounce back up to here somewhere. depending on where it stops. There's no way you can lose money on Sol because it's so... I'm saying that, but I probably will now. Oh my god, what have I done? What have I done? Ah! What did I even press? um... Oh, it's dumping still. I'll buy more of it if it keeps dumping. Solana mainnet encountered a large increase in transaction load, which peaked at some amount. Transactions flooded the transaction processing queue. Lack of prioritization caused the network to start forking. Yeah. We'll see how this reacts. I really don't care. This is an entry on Sol for me. It's the first entry we've had for a while. There's no way that's not going to recover itself at some point. It's like the biggest beast in the whole market at the moment. So, yeah, I think we're all fine. Serum's doing the same. Yeah. Algo's a good trade. This could be a trade. Maybe. I'm not sure how. Pipios, I know we trade the charts, not the news, but did see the news about Sol being shut down by its makers, thus not being considered decentralized. This is like, look, we've got Sol moving down, we've got Serum moving down. If this isn't just them making up shit, I don't know what is. Like, it's going to come into support. Serum will probably do the same thing. It's going to give us an entry. Oh, look, where is it? It's going to take these lows. This is Serum. If Serum and Sol are both dumping at the same time, it's just FTX having a laugh. Hopefully FTT is coming down as well, because that would be a nice one to try and get in on. Oh my god. FTT's been insane. Look at where we were buying that. Should probably sell some of this as well. Oh, I thought that would be resistance. H, this is the first time I've watched you. I have a question. Sure, go ahead. I am happy to answer any questions. Do I know what I'm doing? No, not at all. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I'm just here. No, of course I know what I'm doing. Oh man. I also need to make sure that I'm monitoring this trade again, because we have had a nice pullback. All the alts are getting beat. I mean, are they though? Seem okay to me. What is Bitcoin dominance doing? Yeah. Not that you can really do TA on a dominance chart, but the 0.84 fib, not the 6.6. X2FA something, still bullish on Litecoin. Oh, am I still bullish on Litecoin? I think the thing with Litecoin is that it hit target, okay, a few days ago. I took profit on it once, it had a pullback, and then it came in again, took out the highs, and I was able to get second take profit. So I've not really got much of a position left on this. And in terms of the BTC pair, again, it hit its target. So for something that I don't know if I'm still bullish on this, because if it had done something more like this and just come up, I'd just be closing out of that as a position. But the fact it did everything so fast, and a lot of my position is now gone as a result of that, then I just don't see why people would still... Okay, maybe, yeah, they missed a move. We do have targets up here at this monthly level, but I kind of think that's done most of what it needed to do. I wouldn't... Yeah, I don't know if I'm still bullish on Litecoin. It's done what we wanted it to. It had a nice move up out of this, so... Yeah. Still bullish on Solana. I mean, I did just take a long. It's probably massively underwater right now. What's it doing? Yeah, 4% loss. That's alright, it's fine. CRV was really good today, yeah. So CRV is still very bullish on. I do think that we probably, at the very least, these highs are going to get taken. I'm looking up towards this weekly level here at $3.55. So that's a good one. We've had some such good trades on CRV. Look at that one. Like, we were just looking at that to come back into the global point of control back in January. And I was like, oh yeah, take profit. And then it just went mad. Atom had a nice pump today. Okay. I need to check some of the stuff that I have positions in. BZRX. God, I'm holding that. Oh. Yeah, that looks okay. I wish BZRX would moon, yeah. Yeah, that's the only position that I'm slightly underwater on at the moment, because I bought this monthly level and clearly scaled into that a bit because, yeah. Oh well, that's okay. So I've got a position that's around here somewhere. Apart from obviously Sol, I'm underwater on that now as well. Peter Van Bar, Solana network down for 9+ hours. So, this is what I don't understand. Like, why do people sell their tokens if a network goes down for a few hours? How does it affect you? I just bought Solana. Why would I care what their network's doing? Like, who actually uses crypto networks anyway? Like, genuinely, who uses them? They're just things to trade for me. Like, come on. How often do we really use we use the Ethereum network a lot, and we use the Bitcoin network a lot, but who's actually using the Solana network? What is it? What does it do? I don't know. Why would people sell in a panic because a network that they don't use is down? Because I bet 90% of the people that hold this are don't use the network. Solana. Like, what? I don't even know what NFTs are on Sol. Like, yeah. Yeah. And again, I'm probably being a bit ignorant at the moment, but so Crypto Hustle, yeah, Solana's big in the NFT game, but don't people just buy NFTs by going onto OpenSea? And I'm sure that's not on. Like, how do you actually? I don't know. All I know, I've had NFTs on ETH, and I've bought NFTs on OpenSea. I don't know how else it really works. So I don't know why the network being down for a few hours would be a big issue. Just seems like they're just trying to shake people out. Anyway, Bitcoin. I'd really like, if we're going to get a trade off of this, so I did take this short up here. I'd really like a move down below here and just to come into VWAP to take out these lows. But we might not get it. They have equivalent to OpenSea. I'll have to learn how to use this stuff because then maybe, yeah, maybe I'll pay attention to it a bit more. Uh, bu- 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 bu. Binance is moving everything at the moment. The funding rate looking like? Oh, Bybit. Kaylin, you bought your first NFT on Cardano blockchain yesterday. I need to look at this because I've. How do you how do you use the Cardano blockchain? Um, Cardano is unfortunate. It never hit our targets for the 12th, did it? Really wanted to sell it up here. Never quite made it. Daedalus. I'm just going to Google what you're talking about. Oh. Are people bullish on Teslas again as well? Man. Teslas is just technical still. Come into your golden pocket, you hit the monthly. It's like the easiest trade ever. Okay. You don't use Cardano, you just short it to the ground. Cardano's made me more money than anything this year. Right. Does anyone else have anything they want me to go over? If not, then again, I think I'm going to call that a day and just get back to normal stuff because there's not really a whole lot going on. I'll do a morning update, of course, in the morning tomorrow. So we will have that one. We'll see where price action is. But at the moment, I think really we're just looking at, for Bitcoin at least, we know the monthly open is going to be a big level. It's holding above this VWAP at the moment. It's holding this daily level. It would be really nice today if we can get a quick move down just to take out those lows to test 46k, but I just don't really see that happening. I think, yeah, long's looking a bit better right now. But yeah, we'll see how things go. I just, after a training day as strong as this, it would just be so nice to get a VWAP trade and then take a long off of it. Just give us a VWAP trade. XLM and Sushi. Let's have a look at them both quickly. What I'll do... How much history does this one want up? Not a lot. I need to I need to keep track of this stuff. I don't know when I made this video, but that is just perfect. Why does this happen? That you draw something. Um, hmm. That monthly level, what is that? Way back here. Oh wow, okay, that's from a long time ago. That valid? Hmm. Should probably just do the. Just put a few levels on here. I don't trade XLM. It's not something I really trade at all. Okay. Yeah, cool. Fourth old fashioned completed. Say anything you like. I will counter trade. Oh man. Long Bitcoin. Because I'm short Bitcoin. I want you to counter trade in the right direction. uh um XLM looks okay. Sterling looks okay on the USD chart. Oh. Yeah, Stellar probably hit the level that we wanted it to. What is that monthly? Is that significant anymore? This chart is ridiculous. Like, you can basically just go... Zoop. Actually, XLM looks really good. XLM looks really good. Shit. This definitely looks like some kind of accumulation, some weird accumulation going on XLM. I mean, I don't know why yeah. Looks alright. What's on VeChain? God, that's another one I haven't traded in a long time. Why did I have a big circle here? Yeah, VeChain's another one that's had a nice move down against the Bitcoin pair. Hit this weekly level, then got the bounce, and now it's back onto this weekly, which is kind of significant from where it was back here. So you gotta say that, like, yeah, a lot of these altcoins are looking like they're okay. Don't know why I'm doing that. That's not what I wanted to do at all. Like, this here is a that there is a long on VeChain. It's hit that weekly level, 245 sats. But whether it can hold on to that, I don't. Yeah. So we're looking at some kind of range here, aren't we, between these lows and these highs? It has had a spring and now it's back testing this level. You would expect it to hold. If this weekly is legit, then you would expect this to hold. So VeChain actually looks pretty good. Did someone say EOS as well? Just a lot of things are like not really giving the best setups right now. EOS is at this weekly as well. And this is the range again, okay? So everything on their Bitcoin pairs is like low of the range. And then we've got Yeah, EOS is looking great. Um, yeah. X XTZ will be $3.75 in a week. How much is it now? It's not. Uh, Johnny, this is never gonna happen. Tezos is not gonna go as low as $3.75 in 1 week. Impossible. It's just not gonna happen. Surely not. Atom broke all-time high. Hit the 1-to-1. So Atoms hit the 1-to-1 here. At last. Whoa, that's the wrong stuff for me to do. See how that continues. Cool. All right. Bitcoin's still not doing much. Cool. Yeah. I am going to wrap it up here. And yeah, thank you everyone for watching. I know there wasn't that much TA on this video, but there's not a lot to actually analyze at the moment. It's just that again the lower time frames are taking control, and yeah, I've gone into that phase of just buy some stuff that's low and see what happens with it. But yeah, thanks everyone. Yeah, I'll do a morning update tomorrow, but we'll see how this develops. It has taken the highs. It'd be nice to get a quick pullback, but overall, I think I'm still bullish on this breaking up out of this range. Jacob, I'm not going to look at Ocean right now. I will look at that next time. I do like Ocean as a project, though. I think it's had quite a nice pullback again, like a lot of stuff has. So, what's my target for Solana? I have no idea. I don't. Oh, I'm in profit. Okay, let's just have a look. Come on. Last two things. I'm going to look at Ocean very quickly. Then I'm going to look at Solana. Uh, That's all I'm looking at on on Ocean. So hopefully this can continue just to get a move down, and then I'll be probably looking for a position down here. It's probably as simple as that. On the BTC path, maybe that's looking a bit better. Okay, maybe I'll chart this one properly. Yeah. Okay. And Solana as a target, because I'm now in profit on this trade, so it has clearly got a bounce. Look at it; it's still so high up. I'm trading this as a long. Okay. Solana, if it does bounce here, and that's a big if. Magnet work. $162-ish. Then if it can get back above that and change market structure, 183. I'm basically going to trade something along these lines. I bought it here. It's something like that as a take profit one, see how it goes. And then maybe take it higher up onto this afterwards. That's the thing. A lot of the time with altcoins, my TA is just so simple. It's literally just a case of it taking the low, take a long off of it, and just see how it goes. This would be a nice area here, and this would be a nice area here. Those are the two things I'm looking at for Solana. I don't think there's much more I really need to look at on this one. Yep. Luis Rivera, you're 935 out of 19,000 on Bybit on the World Series of Trading. Congratulations, man. What's your P&L? I'm still at about 120%. I haven't found much to trade. Like, I haven't traded much to trade in big size over the last couple of weeks. The conditions haven't been great. But yeah, 120% is a pretty decent return for a couple of weeks trading. It's not the best. I've not really been trading it so much recently, but yeah. Dennis, I really don't care what this boss token thing is. My low cap gems are better than what he'll find. Whoever that is. Boss token. Sounds stupid. Anyway, thank you everyone for watching. I will make a video tomorrow. I'm going to cover a video. Well, I'm going to do a video on these tokens that I am looking at, and I'll do my normal morning update tomorrow. Yeah, other than that, that's kind of everything I wanted to cover today. It's not a lot happening. So yeah, thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video / stream / in Discord / anything else. All right. Cheers, guys. I'll catch you soon. Bye.